Let him out to play. Instant, all better. And that house clearly just does not belong in his house. And it's raining. But we're going to play because that's what Michael wants to do. You hear doggy? What? You hear doggy? Hi. Michael, look at mommy. Hey. What's that? No, that's not Kitty. That's Doggy. That's Kitty bugging me, trying to bite my leg. Ow! Stop it, asshole. Seriously, if this cat does not stop biting me. Ow! Hi! You closing up shop? Closing up shop? You can go see doggies? Oh, whoa, come here, let me get your nose. Come here, please. Please? Come here, let me get your nose. You running from me? Are you running? I can get it through the window. Just like this. Oh, I got it. Oh, I got it. What are you doing? Are you weird? Hi. 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 Really? What was that? Was that a rooster? Did you hear that, chicken? Hey, don't mess in Grandma's garden. Come here, your sandbox is here. Look right here. Michael. Hey. No, baby, your sand's over here. Come here. Your sand's over here. Right here. Look, right here. This is your sandbox right here. Yeah, right here. See? Oh, it's got to go in the house. Amazing. Michael. Why, Michael James? Why? Uh-oh, you can't push it open. Uh-oh. Are you stuck? Hi, baby. Come here, can I get your nose? Let me get it. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, got it. Oh, my word, Michael. There's going to be more sand in the house than there is in the box in just a few minutes if he keeps going. I see you. Let's see it. Let's see all that sand you're putting in there. Can I see? Can I see? Look at all that sand. What are you going to do with all that sand in here? Huh? Oh, excuse me. Goodness. Let me get out of your way. On a mission. Are you getting the roof?